This is a product review of the new Sodor, Spiral, and Gordon's Hill expansion packs. Because this set does not include one of the new Thomas trains with it, the focus of this review will be on the pros and cons of the new track design. Because I purchased my expansion packs from Korea through eBay, the box was a little dented, but the product inside was unharmed. As usual, the box graphics are playful and draw the purchaser into one's imagination. At first look, it appears there isn't enough track to accomplish the goal of carrying a Trackmaster train, but upon closer inspection, the new redesigned track is much different than the previous Trackmaster tracks. When compared to the old blue Tomy track and the brown track, the new gray track is the same width as the blue Tomy track, but depending on where you measure, has less of a footprint than the brown track. In comparison to weight, the open spaces between the railroad ties of the new gray track makes the standard straight track 2 grams lighter than the blue Tomy track and 4 grams lighter than the brown track. The gray track-to-track connectors have changed to create a more stable platform for vertical climbs by allowing each track to fit inside each other horizontally. This achievement uses special arched track pieces anchored into each support column to achieve a vertical climb. Unfortunately, due to the extreme bend of this piece, there are few variations this track piece can be used for. Minus a misshapen track connector, both the Sodor Spiral and Gordon's Hill expansion packs seemed to look fine, but after a few runs, it became clear that the old trains would have trouble traveling due to the deep grooves on the new gray track. The Sodor Spiral expansion pack is much more sturdy than Gordon's Hill because of its spiral shape, but neither set is forgiving due to its use of curved tracks to support the spiral, versus the longer brown track seen on the Castle Quest set. Please take in mind that this is a whole new Trackmaster redesign from top to bottom. Neither the risers nor the tracks work together with the old sets. Unlike the blue Tomy and brown Trackmaster sets, which slide together vertically, the new gray track connectors are true male to female connectors. When coupling horizontally, each track locks together, causing both vertical and horizontal stresses when the track is together. Coupled with the physical stress of needing to pull the track apart, I predict a short useful life of this new gray track. In conclusion, I do not recommend purchasing the Sodor Spiral expansion pack nor Gordon's Hill expansion pack due to the poor quality and track design. For more information about the quality of the new Trackmaster train sets, I recommend watching this video from UCWEPN. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to reading your comments below. Thanks again for subscribing.
Wow! 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 Not silver.
Light up, Percy. Uh-oh, see, Thomas is stuck hard.
Help me! Help me!
This is the one that we used in the fireworks.
Look at them! Look at them!
Now these are the old trains.
Oh, that's so funny. You see, they come up like that, but there's some kind of crack there. Right there.
I know it doesn't. It's because they're the old trains, they're not the new trains.
Hi guys, I'm coming.
I don't like the new trains, I like the old trains better.
I'm coming down. Oh, baby.
See, he's stuck on that one too. Grab Rusty and... you're going the wrong way.
I want them to go the way.
Okay, you just switch the other directions.
Oh no! Right here! Problem!
No, that's the new. Just leave it. Leave it. Don't touch it. No, no. That's the old track. That's the old track. Don't put any of the old. This is. Hey, this is a video about all the new track, not the old track. Daddy likes the old track better than the new track. I want to show that it doesn't work as well. Yeah. Why don't you get the trains first? Trains first.
That's funny.
So all four just got stuck. And then there it goes again. All of them are starting to fall off. So Salty's the only one pulling the thing. Okay, there you go. Okay, well, I want to check this out too. So this is a new track, huh? Garbage. Garbage. You get stuck right there. all four of them didn't make it up in there. Did you turn on Rusty?
Yeah, he's on.
Really? Why were they getting that before? Right there. Fix that. That bridge piece. Those bridge pieces are so flimsy. So you gotta connect them. Yeah, bridges totally falling apart. Dang. Shoot. There goes Thomas. See, it's this little bend right there. And he's like a wheelie. You want to see it. That's on, right? And they're all stuck again, right? Stuck down here. Garbage. As Leo Kim would say, fail! Fail! We miss you, Leo Kim. Fail!
Who is Leo Kim?
He does all the fails. He's the guy that does the fail videos. Fail!